Hi everybody, I'm here at the Waterloo Bicycle Works in downtown Waterloo, Iowa. I'm here with Travel Waterloo, working alongside them. Today I am, as the name says, I'm hiring a bike. There it is, right there. That's my helmet though, but they do hire helmets and chains for your bikes. You can't miss their building, it has a big peacock on the front. I am checking out some of the trails in the Cedar Valley Trails area. There's over 100 miles of paved bike trails, which is brilliant because it means you don't have to drive on the road. And some of the trails start right here in downtown Waterloo. In fact, one of them starts right behind me, so it couldn't be more easier. I'm going to check out some of the trails and show you what I found.